Hey YouTube, Kim Brzalik here. Now for something completely different. We poured some silver tonight. Got a 35-minute video. I'm rather reluctant to upload the entire thing. It's watching a lot of fire and not much else. A little bit of dialogue. What I'll probably do is break it down to 3 videos. There was 3 pours. One, I would say, well, one was successful as in the result was what was intended. The other 2 results were, happy failures. One of them looks kind of like a vessel or a bottle, and the other one kind of looks like a little penis. So let's check them out. Okay, I got this set on, I'm gonna have it set on ounces. So we got a total here of 3.1. So let's change this to grams. Okay, there's grams, and let's take these 2 away. And I would call that the vessel. I think we're better off without this light. There we go. It's got some nice pour lines. Got a little little impurities here. I think that's from the flux or I treated the crucible with. But it's got some interesting pour lines, ripples. I'm not happy with this light. Oh, this is much better. Okay, so we're going to call the bottle. Well, that's not right. It says 62 grams. I'm not sure if that's possible. There we go. Okay,